Astondoa has become one of the world's best-known shipyards thanks to its innovative nature and more than 90 years of experience. Its growth in the last few decades makes Astondoa Spain's leading shipyard and one of the first in Europe. The results speak for themselves. We've been able to build more than 3,000 vessels since 1916. And today, our production is in the region of 100 units per year. In collaboration with the shipping sector, and to maintain our leadership, we offer one of the widest ranges on the market. Astondoa builds vessels that range from 40 to 200 feet in length. We have a wide variety of models and features that are able to satisfy all demands. This commitment represents a great challenge and is present in all our production processes, from the construction of the hull to the manufacture of the fittings. Everything is made in our production centres. Special attention is paid to every single detail. A complete industrial framework created with just one goal: to satisfy the most discerning customers. Our head office is in Santa Pola, an exceptional location facing the sea and only 10 minutes from Alicante International Airport. Astondoa covers more than 30,000 square meters in Santa Pola, where there are facilities for building vessels of up to 120 feet. It also includes huge premises for painting, where vessels of up to 130 feet in length can be dealt with. A travel lift of 150 tons for dock and launching, and a careening area. In addition to vessel production facilities, Santa Pola is also the key center for Astondoa's management and admin offices, as well as design and engineering. The application of strict controls and navigation tests on all our vessels completes this laborious process. The Astondoa Group has 4 major centers of production, strategically distributed throughout Spain. These centers are in Galata, Biscay, La Unión, Murcia, Vigo, Galicia, and Almansa, Albacete. Almansa is in fact where we build vessels ranging from 40 to 55 feet, as well as some of our most successful models. It is also here where we have established assembly line criteria, and some of the technological breakthroughs in production have just been implemented by the company. Almansa is also the headquarters of our Classique division. It is the biggest furniture factory for vessels in Europe. It covers 14,000 square meters, where furniture and fittings for Astondoa vessels are produced. Astondoa's facilities cover 70,000 square meters and employ more than 500 people in the development of highly specialized work techniques. This is one of the company's most important assets, its human resources. We have a team of craftsmen, technicians and engineers who are assisted by the most cutting-edge technology in producing vessels of the highest quality. Astondoa has achieved a perfect combination of craftsmanship and technology, and this is its key to success in the maritime market. Loyal to its policy of ongoing expansion, Astondoa has just created a plan for the creation of a new production centre, a technology park covering roughly 1 million square metres, showing its genuine commitment to research, development and innovation. The construction of a vessel is not the end of our task. The Astondoa Group includes facilities such as Marina Astondoa, providing a wealth of details for its customers. It features 40 berths that can be used for accommodation during after-sales service or as a complement for anybody who owns an Astondoa vessel. Aware of the lack of berths in the sector, Astondoa has created the Marina Miramar Company, whose objective is to build and run new sports marinas. The company's first project is Marina Miramar, a resort for mooring vessels of up to 50 meters in length. It features 260 berths and has restaurants, cafes, car parks and business premises for port services. Its innovative design and the quality of its finishes place it at the head of Spain's maritime infrastructures.